some sensitive ones. Alright, don't scream, okay? Remember, you're on camera. Alright. You ready?
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from Cardiar Fresh TV, and today I am going to get acupuncture done. So I'm going to go and allow you guys to see exactly how it's done, the process, all that things here for whatever. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's my first time, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, everything works out great. If y'all wondering what that is right there, oh yeah. Y'all know if there's a green screen involved, that must means I got something cooking up my sleeve. So be on the lookout for that video coming very, very, very soon. Very soon. I ain't gonna say what that is. Shh. But anyways, in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So shout out again to the whole entire staff and Jimmy, man. Appreciate you guys. I will have all the information down in the description below. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what's going on. Oh, did you do what I, you know? Yeah, you got to subscribe first, though. We can't go there until you subscribe first. Nope, nope, you got to move. You got to move. All right, y'all done? Good? All right, cool. Now let's get into the video.
You're welcome, man. My name's Emily. Hey, nice to meet you. All right, so I'm going to give you the tour of the clinic. Okay. First things first, when you do come in, you're going to sign in here at this little guy. This is your sign-in sheet. Oh. After today, we've got this little guy. This is going to be your patient condition assessment form. You're going to print your name, sign, list the top 3 complaints that you have for the day. You can circle the intensity next to them. Use this little guy to help. Oh no. Well, we have great success with back pain, so you're in the right place. Awesome. Just kind of pinpoint here where you're having the trouble. That'll help the providers, and this is how we help keep track of your progress. In addition to this, I'm going to give you a little clip that's going to tell you where to go. This is going to be your passport through the clinic. So next, I'm going to have you get dressed down to your undergarments. We've got a hospital gown for you. It doesn't matter which way that the gown is facing because you're going to remove it anyways. I'm going to ask that you remove all your jewelry and your shoes and socks so we can take a picture. What's going to happen is we're going to use this thermal scan. It's going to take a series of pictures of the body and the natural heat that's emitted. So that'll tell the providers if there's any inflammation in the body, if there's a lack of blood circulation, so they can kind of tell where there's the problem. It's a really cool scan. So you're going to stand in front of the camera. Whenever she says go, you're going to play the hokey pokey and just take a quarter turn. And then she's going to tell you to turn again. And you'll just make a full circle. So really easy. But I'm going to... Yeah. It's a really cool device. You'll look at your scan today with the providers. And then they'll talk to you moving forward, okay?
This scan is, there's no radiation, and what it does, it lets us know where you have inflammation and poor circulation, okay? Awesome. Alrighty, so we're basically going to do the hokey pokey, alright? Alright, turn 90 degrees to your right. Face that wall over there, and then step forward with your right foot only. Okay, perfect. Now turn 90 degrees to your right and face the back wall. Turn 90 degrees to your right and lift up your left arm.
Really cool technology. They actually developed it in 1950. Okay. So it detects infrared heat that comes out of your body. Okay. We generate that heat through our blood circulation. Okay. So it gives us a picture of how your blood is circulating throughout your body. It doesn't tell us everything because like deep inside your organs, it won't show that. But it's like muscle, nerve, some of the nerves, it will show, okay? So green is where you want to be. That's normal. Red means heat, hot, inflammation. Dark blue, purple, black means cold, which is lack of blood circulation or poor circulation. So if a nerve gets pinched, it will affect your blood circulation.
That explains my D's.
Yeah. So yeah, your left side's worse. You can see your left side's worse too. It's colder than your right. Your feet are cold too, so definitely some circulation issues down there.
Yeah, my feet are constantly cold.
Yeah. And then not surprisingly, your back. So yeah, all the way up there. Yeah. So this is like L4 to S1 area, right where you're hurting a lot. Yeah. So even so, I'm surprised your muscles on the side are not inflamed also. So that tells me That it's because, see, it's the nerves in your spine. The problem, this inflammation is in your spine, is inflaming the nerves that are going out to your muscles, and it's causing your muscles to contract. And so they're not inflamed, but it's the source is right in here. Okay, so neck, obviously, shoulders inflamed. Now, whatever structural damage that you do have, nothing's gonna fix it. The surgery, maybe. It maybe fix it. But one thing is for sure, your nerves are inflamed. That's why you feel so much pain. If your nerves were not inflamed, you wouldn't feel any pain. Okay? And this is where acupuncture, because acupuncture is phenomenal for pain. Okay? Because acupuncture does two things. Number one, acupuncture moves your blood. So depending on where we put the needles, we can move your blood flow anywhere we want in your body. So we're going to move it to your spine, your neck, your lower back, and all these muscles over here. Yes. and the side thing is, side benefit is we'll move it to your digestion, because you need to get your digestion up. So that's the first thing acupuncture does. It moves your blood. The second thing it does, and this is the beauty of acupuncture, it can help retrain your brain to do it by itself. That's the beauty of it. So it's not like medication. You take, or even like injections. Medication, you take it, it works, but once you stop, everything comes back, right? Why? Because medication is replacing a function in your body. Acupuncture, we're not trying to replace anything. We're trying to restore function. So get your body back to healing itself like it was built to do. You've been missing out.
I've been talking about this for actually a while now.
Oh, okay. Oh, you can leave that on. I don't need that off. I can just move it up. Okay, so put it like this. This is called functional pulse diagnosis, okay? So 3,000 years ago when acupuncture was discovered, okay, they didn't have x-rays, MRIs, and cool machines like that, right? So they needed a way to figure out what is going on in your body. Why isn't your body healing this by itself, okay? Now the structural problems, it can't heal it. But the inflammation, your body should be able to reduce it. So we got to figure out why. So they found out thousands of years ago that different sections of your radial pulse right here actually corresponds to different organs in your body. Okay? And since there's blood flowing in your pulse, right? I'm going to feel the blood that's getting pumped to all your different organs. And it's going to let me know which ones are not doing their jobs. Those are the culprits. Yep. Okay. I'm not sticking any needles in your back. Here, scoot up. Scoot up.
Oh man, that was the main thing I was nervous about.
No. I'm not sticking anything in your back. This is my own technique.
Yeah,
So no screaming because you're on YouTube.
I don't want to freak nobody out in the other room.
This will be good.
What was that?
All right, right now, where do you feel most of the pain?
In my spine, right in the center, and the lower.
This level,
right here.
Okay. And what would you say the intensity is right now out of 10?
10.
Okay. All right, you ready? Here we go.
Oh, okay, so you really don't feel that.
How does it look? You can't even feel it.
You're going to feel some of them.
I mean, the initial pinch, you kind of feel it.
Yeah.
It's not big.
Yeah, it's that big. A single strand of your hair.
All right, any change in your lower back? Is it still a 10 out of 10? You can wiggle it around.
It still hurts, but it's like
It's starting to reduce?
I think so. Because I'm honestly, my center back is taking so much focus, so I'm trying to focus on that lower area to see.
Yeah. Let me do some more.
Yeah, because the center of my back is just completely just taking it. Oh, that was pretty interesting. That must have jumped like a champ.
That's good. Good spot.
If I could click my heels, I would. But there's something there.
What intensity is it now?
Oh man, shit, I feel better.
Like 50% better?
Yeah.
More? Okay, good.
What did you give him? What's on the end of it?
It's my secret spit.
Black guano.
Hey, babe, tell them the dish that we making when we get back to the house. For the Indonesian dish, still making?
So our next video, we decided to make a dish from Bali. It's I don't know nothing about it. We just literally said, okay, Bali. Okay,
yeah.
What do people eat? So betul. I don't know if you ever heard of it. It's like a roasted duck with all these amazing spices and stuff.
Yeah.
They done did my first one.
Okay, good.
How long this lasts?
That's what we're testing. Because everybody's body is different. So when after we remove the needles, and then you go home, you're gonna tell me when it starts to come back to 10 out of. When does it go back to 10 out of 10? Is it a few hours? Is it a few minutes? A few days? You know, I need to know. All right, I'm gonna do some sensitive ones. All right, don't scream, okay? Remember you're on camera.
All right.
You ready? Alright, you're all done.
Awesome. Alright guys, so we just finished getting the acupuncture treatment done. It was our first session. Awesome job. Thank you, Jimmy, so much, man.
You're welcome.
I'm telling you guys, if you have any type of pain, I promise you, soreness, anything, headaches, whatever, migraines, you are in the Austin area, come here. I'm going to let my guy give you the information on how to locate them and get a hold of them to set up your treatment, because I'm telling you, it's worth it.
Yeah, so thank you, Xavier. So yeah, Achieve Integrative Health. We're here in Cedar Park, right across from the Cedar Park Costco. Everybody knows where Costco is, right? So right across from the Cedar Park Costco, 1431 on Discovery Boulevard. Give us a call, 512-260-1710, or visit us at achieveintegrativehealth.com. achieveintegrativehealth.com. So, awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Awesome. And I'll have all the information down in the link below, so don't worry if you missed any of it. Just go in the description, have links, contact info, and the address there. So, thank you again, Jimmy. Thank you guys, to the staff. Wonderful, very bright people here. I would definitely recommend anybody to come here. And I'm a hard person to please, if y'all know. So, if I'm saying it, that means it's legit. So, thank you guys again to the whole entire staff here, and appreciate you guys for experiencing this here with me. And once again, it's your boy Cardiar Fresh from Cardiar Fresh TV. Y'all know my slogan. I got the recipe, baby. Now let's cook. Peace.
Nice.